Good morning, everyone. My name is Anja Gondolf, and I know that sounds a lot like Gandalf from Lord of the Rings, but be assured, I'm not a magician, even though I often try to do my magic. I am here on behalf of 21 Unity and the Open Power Foundation, and I'm very excited to be a part of Cool Day here in Cambridge. I have been asked to tell something about Open Power, the Open Power Foundation, and what 21 Unity has to do with Open Power. Well, then let's start with a quick introduction to the Open Power Foundation. But first of all, we are a very proud member of Open Power Foundation. The Open Power Foundation is a non-profit organization that was formed in 2013 by a group of companies initiated by IBM, with the goal of promoting and advancing the adoption of the open power architecture. The foundation aims to create an open and collaborative ecosystem for the development of high-performance computing solutions. The Open Power Foundation is providing a platform for companies and organizations to collaborate on the development of hardware and software technologies, as well as to promote the use of open standards and interfaces. The foundation also works to build awareness and education around the benefits of open computing systems and to foster a strong community of developers, researchers, and end users. One of the key features of the Open Power Foundation is the commitment to openness and collaboration. By working together, members of the foundation can leverage their collective expertise and resources to accelerate innovation and bring new, high-performance computing solutions to market more quickly and efficiently. But what is open power? Open Power is an open computer architecture framework based on IBM's Power architecture. The goal of Open Power is to provide an open, collaborative development platform for computer hardware and software to foster innovation and advancement in the industry. Open Power encourages collaboration and the exchange of ideas and technologies between different companies and organizations to accelerate the development of high-performance computing systems. An important aspect of open power is the open architecture, which means that any developer or engineer can build on it and develop their own solutions and systems. By collaborating and sharing resources and technologies, Open Power aims to push the boundaries of what is technically possible and create new opportunities for the application of computing power. In addition to the shown points on the slide, I gathered several advantages of using open power technology. And first of all, I would like to mention the performance. Open power technology is designed to deliver high levels of performance, making it well suited for applications that require intensive computing power, such as artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and high-performance computing. As open architecture developers and engineers can customize it to their specific needs, this makes it easier to create tailored solutions rather than having to rely on a one-size-fits-all approach. Collaboration between the members of the Open Power Foundation is leading to the sharing of resources, expertise, and best practices. This results in faster development cycles, improved product quality, and more innovative solutions. Open standards and open interfaces are making open power technology more interoperable with other technologies and allow simpler integration into existing systems. And by leveraging the open architecture and collaborating with other organizations and companies can reduce the cost of hardware, software, and support, particularly for large-scale deployments. Well, what are we, 21 Unity, are achieving with open power? 21 Unity is operating its own data center based on open power. There, we are providing our 21 Unity Collaboration Cloud. This is the Nextcloud Enterprise Adaptation and can include Collabora Online. Furthermore, we are offering an ERP. It is called 21 Pro. This is a modular program that can easily grow with the needs of your company. With Open Power technology, we can handle more customers per core, which is improvising scalability and resource utilization. Our engineers, I can assure you, have a lot of fun with software and technology porting, and the CTO of 21 Unity, Mr. Yogi Schneider, also here on Cool Days today, is always delving into designing new, faster, and power-saving hardware architecture. In summary, using Open Power is sustainable, energy-saving, and therefore environmental friendly. But there is one more thing. Everyone likes pictures. And let's have a look at these pictograms where we are showing the current use cases of Open Power at 21 Unity. We are well established in high-performance computing, cloud and edge computing, storage technology, AI, and industrial Internet of Things. We are looking forward expanding in network and automobile technology. Well, I think that's it for now. For any questions, we are at your service, and many thanks for your attention.